The Kivalo site is located in northern Finland, just above the Arctic Circle. It is one of the ALFAwetlands Living Lab sites, representing a drained peatland forest. The ALFAwetlands project is an EU Horizon Europe-funded project about wetland restoration and climate change mitigation, and aiming at decreasing greenhouse gas emissions, in particular those of carbon dioxide and methane. At the same time, it supports biodiversity, ecosystem services, and is socially just and rewarding. Peatland restoration at the Kivalo site is done through using continuous cover forestry, which regulates the groundwater level and consequently decreases greenhouse gas emissions to the atmosphere. There are two continuous cover forestry treatments at the Kivalo site: small gap harvesting and overstory harvesting. Here you can see the control area, and then the small gap harvesting area is seen as treeless circles 10 meters in diameter. Clear felling is not carried out in continuous cover forestry, and a canopy cover is maintained at all times. After the felling of individual large trees, the growth of the remaining trees is increased, and new trees emerge through natural regeneration. Greenhouse gas emissions are continuously measured at 9 stations, 3 in the control area, and 6 in the continuous cover forestry treatments. In addition, vegetation surveys for biodiversity purposes are carried out at each greenhouse gas station. Here is one of the vegetation survey subplots, which measures 1 meter by 1 meter in size. Each species in the subplot is identified and its coverage recorded.
Vadelma, iidaus. Sitten löytyy täältä näin metsäalvejuuri, joka on tässä näin. Miopteris cartusiana ja sitten täällä on tää Gymnocarpium Rheopteris, ennentisanilainen täällä pohjalla. Metsätähti ruohoista ja entäs siellä pohjakerroksessa? Pohjakerroksessa. Siellä on heinäkarit, että katsotaan onko siellä mitään sammalia. Nyt näkyy tästä tätä suikerusammolta, joka kasvaa karikkeen päällä Rakyteekkium. Nyt se laitetaan se SP. Täällä myös sama Rakyteekkiumia. Ja sitten on lehväsammalta.
Onko siinä juuri?
Tässä on tää Plagium nium. Metsälehväsammal varmaan.
Also, a ground vegetation biomass sample is taken nearby in order to determine annual biomass production and litter inputs. The biomass sample is harvested from a 30 cm times 30 cm subplot. The biomass sample is separated into functional types: mosses, grasses, herbs, ferns and dwarfs. Here you will see the biomass subplot 9 before and after harvesting.
Tässä meillä on kohde, josta me olemme poistaneet biomassan, eli tämä on 9V-kohde. Mitäs Leila poistit tästä juuri?
No siinä oli yksi vadelma, semmoinen yli 50 senttiä vadelma. Yksi kappale varsia ja sitten oli ruohoja, oli lillukkaa ja sitten tätä heinää, mitä tässä on. Eli onko tämä nyt kastikkaa vai onko tämä sitä meilikanuuttassia?
Here are biomass samples, which have been collected by their functional group.